guys, this is Megan Haponenko, and today I'm going to be cutting off all of my hair. Now I know this seems like a kind of crazy decision and I might regret it later, but I've been wanting to cut my hair for a while and it's always either super messy or I put it up, so I don't feel like I'm losing anything by cutting off all my hair, but I don't know, maybe I won't like it in a while. It's okay, hair grows out. Okay, this is kind of scary. Trash can right underneath. Scary. Ooh. No turning back now. I try to get down a little bit lower so you guys can see better. Oh god, this is so weird. I can't believe I'm doing this. Well, hello. This is Megan. Oh god, it's so uneven too. This is me if I had short hair. Whoo! Let's do some more. Oh my god, this is weird. I haven't had short hair since I was in like 5th grade. I decided I wanted it short. When I was little, I cut my mom took me to the hair salon and the lady left me alone for a second and I took the scissors and just went like that on my hair, just whatever. Oh, it was so scary. I mean, it was fun to me then, and then yeah, that was just not a good situation. Do you guys want to see all the hair in the trash? My sister just called and so rudely interrupted. Ah! Why are there centipedes in my house? Ew. Just crushed a Kankaniki centipede. I only told my mom and a few friends that I was cutting my hair, so my sister's gonna be shocked. I should record her reaction. This is your reaction? Oh, it's UPS. Oh, is that my wigs? Exclamation. I bought wigs for cosplay. Also, that wasn't them. That was my Makeover pants. Yeah. Get down so you can actually see. Oh, this is weird. This is so weird. Hello there. I have short hair now. Oh my god, it's so cool. Dude. Dude. Dude, look at how long this piece is. You gotta go. Taking a razor and doing this with it, because then it makes it not look so choppy. Right here, you see that straight across the line? Now it's not so straight across the line. Holy crap-a-moly. I didn't think I would actually do this by myself. My hairstylist is gonna be so mad. I'm sorry, Sarah. Great, mate. 8 out of 8, mate. Woo woo. Take the pain away so you could throw me into the wolves. Tomorrow will come back, leader of the whole pack. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't know what I'm doing with my life. What am I doing anymore? Who knows these days? Pulling an Izzy. My friend Izzy, if you don't know, cut off all her hair a while ago. I think it was back in September. Do you remember September? Yeah, she did. A plethora of hair is going into the trash. Gotta go in the trash. It's my new hair. I might cut my bangs a little bit shorter. Let's do that. Damon Fizzy just posted a picture. I have him on notifications. Cute, cool story, bro. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Sick 'em. I feel like I have a mullet. Do I have a mullet in the back? Goodbye, hair. Well, I think this is the final product. I think it came out nice. What do you guys think? Tell me what you think. I got hair all over the sink. That's what I think. Get it? Think and sink rhyme. You got thunk the sunk, monk, punk. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Tell me if you like my short hair or not.